Baby Nitro, where are we going?
Going to city.
We're going to city.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do in the city?
And do a jobby.
Jollibee? Yeah? And what else? You gonna play?
We're gonna play on playground.
On the playground?
Yeah.
Wow. The big one?
A big one.
Yeah, wow. It's gonna be fun.
Change your shirt because you look yucky.
Yeah, we'll change the shirt. We got change of clothes for you. Yeah.
Oh, it's my set.
Yeah, where's your
You
shirt?
like that shirt?
Yeah.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Hey, Nitro fam! Ngayong araw, pupunta kami sa Robinson's Tacloban. So, Nitro calls any sort of mall that he goes to the city. Kahit nasa Australia kami, pumunta kami ng mall, city ang tawag niya. Alright, Chanti, you ready to go to the city? Alright, tara na guys. Hey Nitro, let's go buddy! Woohoo! We made it to the city! Wow! Nandito tayo sa city. Let's go Nitro City! Meron na! Oh, it's Christmas! Go, let's go! Go! Come on! Come on!
Ang minamahal ko po, aking diwata.
Alright, nakabihis na po si Nitro! Yay! You're nice and clean shirt now. So, Nitro is going to go to the playground. Yay! Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's Christmas, Nitro. Wow. That's cool, hey. Here we are, Nitro. We made it. It's the kids' playground. Whoa! Wow! Hello! Hi! Ayan, ito ang Children's Play Park sa Robinson's Banas in Tacloban City. Nitro loves it. Whoa! That's cool, Nitro. Woohoo! Go, Nitro! Whoa! Oh! We fall down! That's it! Oh! Put it on there! Boy! Did it! Boy, go, go, go! Yay! Good boy, Nitro. Yeah, you did it. Very good. Go, Nitro. Oh ho ho. Is that your castle? Get on the slide, Nitro. Get on the slide. Go, Nitro. Ah, you scared. Look ka? Huh? Look ka, no? Go, Nitro, down the slide. Oh, jumping. Yeah, jumping. Go, 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 go. Nitro, come on, go. Down on the slide, baby. Yay! Woo-hoo. What's that? A green poo-poo? Oh, it's a poo-poo. Oh, Nitro, look. Oh, the colored balls are gonna get ya. Oh, the balls are gonna get ya. He's gonna get ya. The fishy, he's gonna get ya. Fishy's gonna get ya. He's gonna get ya. He got ya. Uh-oh. The bear's coming to get ya. Oh, bear, find the fish. Got him. Yay. Oh no, the fish is gonna get daddy. Oh no. A penguin? Wow. Oh. Penguin's going in his house, hey. He goes in the house. 2, 3, Nitro. Go, Nitro. 2, 3, go. Nitro, you playing Barbies. Oh, where's the clothes? There are clothes on.
I want Jollibee.
You want what,
I
Nitro?
want Jollibee.
Jollibee?
I want
Oh, okay,
Jollibee.
okay. Sawa na siya dito, kaya mag-Jollibee na muna kami. Let's go Jollibee, Nitro.
Jollibee.
You want Jollibee?
Yeah.
Is that what you want to eat?
Yeah.
Jollibee, what about pizza?
I want Jollibee.
Not ours though. Oh, look, it's Spider-Man. Boy, alam mo, it's not ours. It's yours. Yeah. Lado. Well, do you want to have something different? You always want Jollibee. What about we go there? That one. Yeah? It's a good one there. We go to this restaurant. It's called Icebergs. Lagi kasi niyang request ang Jollibee every time we go out. Kaya, iba naman. Let's go. She said, let's go Jollibee.
This beautiful life.
Nandito kami sa Icebergs. Hey, Nitro. Yes. You want this? Of course you want ice cream agad eh. Kaloka. Bili si Uncle Yano ang Silvanas. You like Silvanas, Nitro? Yummy? Yeah? Oh, Nitro, we got chippies. Oh, it's too hot. Oh, we have to wait. We have to wait. Is it hot? Yeah, it's too hot. We have to wait. Okay? Pwede magpipicture ka, Nitro. Hey, it's alright, buddy. It's alright. It's okay. Check it out. Nitro wants to eat. Okay. Mainit pa kasi yung chips. Mainit yung chips. Kaya ayaw ni Nitro. Yeah, I know. It's too hot. Let it go. Nitro, it's too hot. Oh, it's okay? It's okay? Oh, okay na daw.
Okay na.
Do I like the sauce? No, I don't like the sauce. You like the sauce? Ah, okay.
No. Just dip your chips there.
So hindi namin kasama si Shanta, nanay niya, Rate Faye, kasi andun sila sa hospital. Nanay is getting a checkup on her heart, ang puso niya. Tingnan nila kung nawasak or hindi. Tingnan nila kung if she's okay to get chemotherapy. What's that, Nitro? Want some? Oh. Thank you. Now, where do you want to go?
I want to go Australia.
Australia? Yeah, we'll go to Australia again. We'll go there soon, okay?
God, soon.
Yeah.
No, it's not working. Put it back. Let's put it back.
Oh.
You buy a gun.
Daddy buy a gun?
Yeah.
You already have that.
You got a gun. Oh, Daddy buy everything, hey?
For Christmas.
For Christmas?
For Christmas.
You want it for Christmas?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you say?
I want for Christmas All of it.
All of it.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
You have fun in the city, Nitro?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was fun, hey? Yes. Lots of fun. Lots of fun. Yes. Big city behind us, Robinson's. Where's the car? Huh? Where did we park? Nakalimutan ko.
I want the
Hindi.
monster truck.
You want a monster truck?
Yeah.
Yung parking ada ako din here, ano? Ambot. Nawala ang kotse namin. Okay, we found the car. Ito siya. Okay, Nitro. We go in the car seat.
We go in the car seat and get
Boy.
mommy.
Ngayon, susunduin na namin si Shanta and her mom sa hospital. Sa Tacloban. Let's go!
Hello po.
50,000,
Nandito na kami sa sasakyan. Si Noel,
5,000.
tsaka si
5,000.
Ate Feb. Yung ginawa namin doon, ano ba yun? Cardio, ano ba yung 2D echo, yun. Tapos, yung result, tatawag pa tomorrow. Yes, baby Nitro. Tomorrow, tatawag pa kung may result na. Tapos, nag-laboratory din ng creatinine, yung iba pang test sa laboratory. Yun, nakuha namin yung result ngayon. Kasi after 3 hours lang. Pero yung yung 2D echo, tomorrow pa. Tapos nag-text na din si Dr. Batukan. Ayan, hi Dr. Batukan, maganda. Sobrang ganda niya, sobrang bait niya. Siya yung on ko ni nanay dun sa EVMC. Wala na palang car yun kasi hindi na daw original yun, hindi ko sure. Tapos sabi niya, pwede na kaming pumunta sa chemo room. Mondays to Fridays, 8 a.m. to 5 para ma-schedule na yung chemo ni nanay. So, di ba? Ay, sana wala nang problema para dire-diretso na makapag-start na ng chemo kasi more than a month na from her operation. Yun, kailangan after a month ng operation dapat mag-chemo na talaga. Kasi sa result ng ultrasound ng CT scan niya, nakita may 2 pa dito. Tapos may 3 sa side na lymph nodes na worrisome. So, kailangan ma-check na yun. Yun. Update. Sabi din ni Doktora, 6 cycles ng chemo every 21 days. Yun yung gagawin. Tapos after nun, i-check ng CT scan if lumiit na yung mga lymph nodes. Tapos mag-radiation si nanay sa Cebu.
Kapalitan ko
Yun yung
yung kaulan ko na pero adin ko.
yun lang, yung update. Hanggang sa Baby Nitro.
Baby Nitro went to the city. Didn't you, Baby Nitro?
Busy.
And then, hanggang ngayon, humihingi pa siya ng 5 toys daw na monster truck for Christmas. Alright guys, salamat sa panonood sa ating vlog today at kita-kits sa susunod na video natin. Bye for now.
Then you say bye for now. Flying kiss? Flying kiss?
Bye.